Right, thanks for watching. This is Doug's Open Road Classics. So today I'm at North Weald Commie, organised by Steve's Breakfast Clubs. I've just bumped into Chris, who organises North London rides. So I've been at a few of Chris's meets. They're always very, very well organised, really good turnout, really great people. So it seemed like just a really good opportunity for Chris to tell you about the meets and events that he organises.
Oh, Doug, good to see you at North Weald today. What a beautiful sunshiny day.
It's the money shot today.
It is absolutely brilliant. We've got some great content. Do follow us both. Appreciate putting us on the channel. Our next event is on May the 17th at Sawbridgeworth, just off of Bell Street car park. Our postcode for that is CM21 9AN. The event will run from 9 o'clock in the morning to around about midday. There possibly could be a little convoy to a new location. So if you turn up on the day, you may get something special as well. But we hope to see Doug along. If you want to follow us on my other channels, North London Rides on Instagram, TikTok, and obviously on the platform you're on at the moment. Appreciate it for Doug, and we'll hopefully see you at our next event. It should be great.
Absolutely
brilliant. Hopefully the sun shines like this and we have a great turnout.
It's always going to be
and appreciate for everyone's support at it, and it's a free event, so do come along, bring your pride and joy. If you ain't got your pride and joy, park in the back car park, come and look around some awesome cars. Let's do it.
Right, let's do it. I'll see you
Brilliant.
there. Good
Let's
stuff.
do it.
Thank you so much for that, and I will see you soon.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
See you there.
Yeah, thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Make sure you follow Chris on TikTok and Instagram, North London Rides. Happy motoring, keep safe, and see you soon. Thank you.